Well, as you may not know, I've just moved, so this video will be a little bit different. I'm trying to get things in order, and the decorators aren't really done yet. But I can tell you about the time that I bought a Swatch Harajuku. It is a vintage Swatch with a very, very lovely Japanese design to it. However, if you want to buy a vintage Harajuku or any other vintage Swatch for that matter, there is one thing that you need to consider. Yeah, the strap basically can disintegrate right before your very eyes, which is a shame because I really like the Harajuku and I really love the design. It looks so 80s and I love anything inspired by Japan. But Hello?
Hello, old chap. How is every little thing?
Fine. Who is this?
Don't you know? It's me. You know, the voiceover from the Marchard video ads. You know, the Marchard Trench Hunter.
Oh, right. Yes. Thank you. The thing is, could you call me back? I'm in the middle of, working on a video.
Oh, are you? Well, it doesn't matter, because we need your help.
You want my help?
You see, I work for a company, and we are issuing watches to, some of our employees. And so we need you to suggest a watch for our company.
A watch? Well, why not the Pablo Profundo?
No, sorry. Cannot be a limited watch. It has to be readily available, old chap.
Oh, well, what about the Vostok Amphibia Scuba Dude? It's readily available and
No,
it's...
sorry, too many are aware of it. We need something that doesn't already have a sort of cult following type of thing.
What about the Cassiope?
No, it has to be mechanical.
Well, you have the Pagani-designed Gargantuous Maximus.
No, too big.
The Seiko Alpinist?
No, we aren't mountaineers, I'm afraid.
The Tissel Explorer?
No, sorry, cannot be a homage.
The Zelos Mako?
No, too expensive.
But...
Look, we have some criteria. Are you listening?
Okay, go on.
It has to be a watch that is affordable. It also has to have some jazzy details. It has to be able to work in an underwater base, and it has to have some sort of sinister look to it.
Did you say sinister?
No, I said Westminster. You know, like the Abbey.
Oh. Well, I'll get right on it.
Look, it doesn't matter. We've already found a candidate. All we want you to do is pick it up outside your door because it should be delivered and make a video on it.
Oh, that's very nice of you. I will make a video on it.
Thank you, old chap. You'll be hearing from us. Cheerio.
Bye.